Last time on Cyberchase. The Cyber Squad is racing to find a powerful device Hacker has hidden on Penguin Peninsula. Hacker is doing everything he can to stop them. The Cyber Squad is using energy from nature and getting help from Mimi the Penguin. But Mimi has to get to the Belly Bowl by sundown to help her team win the big race. And in Penguia, nothing comes easy.
That's what I would call wave energy.
Thanks, Frankie!
There it is, Penguia Peak.
The peak is here, and here's the X. If Hacker did bury something, it should be on the other side of this boulder.
Let's find that X.
There's the boulder. We should be standing right on top of the X.
I don't see an X.
The X is only on the map, Didge. Let's dig.
Wow!
There is an X?
It's frozen solid.
Hey! The sun is melting that icicle. That's another kind of energy. What if we use the energy of the sun to melt the ice block?
Great idea, Inez. I can use this mirror to reflect and focus the sunlight. That should melt this ice.
This is gonna take a while.
I'll help too. Time for more solar energy. Now we're melting.
The ice is almost all melted. Let's hear it for solar energy.
We found Hacker's top secret box.
Oh, did you?
Howdy, partners. Oh, no, you don't.
I'll take that. Thank you.
Has Hacker really won? Will he use the microchip of mayhem to take over cyberspace? Find out on the next exciting episode of The Belly Bowl!